Hello and welcome to another HTML and CSS tutorial. In this tutorial we're going to look at how to apply styles to your links. So I have a web page here which is a pretty simple web page, not very exciting, but it has some different headings and paragraphs on the page and an image, and then there's some links on this page that just take you, when you click on them, take you to the different sections of the web page. So we'll have a look at this in the browser, and oops. So I'll open that in the browser, and here it is. So not much content on the page, but when you click on these links, it will take you to those different sections of the web page. So we looked at how to do that in one of the previous tutorials. And you can see that by default, links are usually blue and underlined. And links that you have clicked on or visited turn purple after you've visited those links. So if I click on this one, it will take me to that section, but the link will turn purple because now I have visited that link. So the style of the links by default is usually blue for an unvisited link and purple for a visited link, and they're usually underlined as well. But we can apply some styling to our links. So if I go back to the page, I've added a CSS file. So up here in the head section, I'm referring to an external style sheet, which is stylesheet10.css in the resources folder, and I have that open here. But at the moment, there is actually no style. So I'm going to apply a style to these links here. Okay, now remember that links use the A tag. Okay, so I can apply a style to the A tag. So firstly, I'll type in A and then some curly braces, and inside here I can apply a style to my links. So I can say color, and I'm going to use a hexadecimal color code, which is an orange color, and I'll save that, and then I'll go back to the web page and refresh, and now all of those links are orange. But all I have done is change the color of the links. So I haven't actually applied any effects when I move the mouse over the links, and I haven't changed, I haven't told the web page to change the color when I click on those links, so when they've been visited. So what I can do is I can get rid of that. So that's a pretty general description of just the color of links. It's not specifying what visited or unvisited links will look like, and it's not specifying what links will look like when the mouse is moving over them. So I'll delete that, and this time I'm going to say a colon link, and inside these curly brackets I'm going to add a color using a hexadecimal color code, and I'm going to say this time we'll have FF8000, which is going to be an orange color, and basically a link is for an unvisited link. So before we clicked on any link, it will be this color of orange. I'm then going to add another style, and this time I'm going to add a visited. Alright, so this will be the color of a link when we have visited or clicked on that link. Okay, and so the color is going to be a little bit different. So I'll use a different, F7BE1 or BE81. Okay, so this is going to be a lighter shade of orange. It's almost yellow. And I'll also, what I might also do is add text decoration of none. Okay, so these links won't have any lines on them. They won't be underlined. So I'll also specify that here, text decoration none. All right, I'm going to go down and I'm going to add a hover. And what this will do is specify the style of a link when the mouse is hovering over the link, when the mouse cursor is on the link. So I'll use a different hexadecimal color code here again. and I will this time add a text decoration of underline. So when the mouse moves over the link, it will be underlined. And lastly, I'm going to add a active. And what a active means is basically when you click on the link. So when your mouse is clicking on a link, it will change style for a fraction of a second while you click on it. When you click and hold down the mouse on that link, you'll see the difference in color, because we're going to specify a different color. Okay, and text decoration will still be underlined. All right, there we go. So I'll save that. So basically we have a link here. So specifying the color and the text decoration for just any link on the web page that hasn't been visited yet. And then here we're specifying a different color and the text decoration of none for a link that has been clicked on or has been visited. Here we're specifying the color and we're underlining the link when the mouse is hovering over it. And here we specify a style for when the link is being clicked on, it will be underlined and a different color again. So I've saved that. I can go back to Chrome and I can refresh this page. And now you can see that normal links are orange. Links that I've already clicked on or visited are a lighter shade of orange, so almost yellow. And then when I move the mouse over a link or hover over a link, it's a darker shade of orange. It's actually kind of brown, but when I move over those links that change color, it will change color, and they also become underlined. Okay, and when I click on a link, it changes color again. Okay, so when I click, you can see, and I hold it down, it almost goes red, so it's a different color again. And now that I've clicked on those links, so I've visited those sections of the web page, they've also changed color as well because they are visited links. Okay, so that is how to style links on your web page, and we've looked at a few different styles there for different link states. So just a regular link, visited state, a hover state, and the active state. Okay, thanks for watching.